Hello friends. So today's tool is Remove.bg. You must know about it. It's removing the background from any image. So in today's video, I'm not going to show you how you can remove the background from any image, but how you can also change the background, how you can enhance your image, and how you can use their API for your own use. So let's get started. So first, go to the tools website. You will find the link in the description. Many of you might already know this tool. The name is Remove.bg. So on the top right side, click on login and sign up using your Google account. Click on upload image next to remove image background and upload your picture. As soon as you upload it, the tool will automatically analyze the image and remove the background. Top of the screen you can see before and after image where the Remove.bg has removed the background from our image. Now if you want to add new background, click on background feature. Here you get three options: magic, photo and color. You can upload your own background, use a solid color or choose from ready-made background. The next option is erase and restore, which lets you remove unwanted parts from the background or the image itself. After that, you have the effect options, where you can blur the background and add shadows to your image. Then comes adjust, where you can tweak color and light, crop and place, and expand image. This part is integrated with Canva, so you can directly add it there as well. Next is design section, where you can add text, add elements or use template. Also, this part is integrated with Canva. Remove.bg also provide AI API that you can use along with your own product. They offer both paid plan and pay as you go options. The paid plan is very basic, starting with 599 rupees if you are buying in Indian rupees per month. So this is the tutorial for Remove.bg. This tool is trending a lot and you can use other features as well. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share this video with your designer friend. See you in the next one.